Here we got behind the counterweight, looking back towards them, you see they got the boom rigged up. And currently still trying to get the main pin in. Anyhow, it is definitely something to watch. There's the stick right there. So it came in several different pieces. They said it was shipped directly from Japan, and it came through the Pacific Ocean, through the Panama Canal to Savannah, Georgia on the East Coast, and then from Savannah, Georgia by truck about 1 day. Took them 1 day to get it to North Carolina. So they made it about midway of North Carolina, and then stopped at a truck stop, waited overnight, got back on the road about 9 the next morning, and came into Raleigh with it. So it is pretty unique to watch this. You don't get to see this every day. So, all right, well. Yeah, this is the brand new one. I think I got like those hero section, the smaller one. But that might be nice. Yeah, yeah.
What is it on the YouTube channel?
Yeah.
You do that one?
Yeah.
Really? What is it?
Cat scanner. Just search cat scanner. Yeah, that's me. So today we're going to be pulling the track frame out on a brand new Hitachi 870. They had the tracks tucked in. It's on a sewer line job that Justin worked on. Contractor got a brand new machine, so I'm gonna run the 450 and get the tracks pulled out on it for them. So on these bigger machines, the track frames are squeezed together so it can be transported down the road. They go in about 12 inches on each side. It will reduce the width of the machine up about 2 feet. So we're pulling the tracks out. I got conjured into running the 450 to help pull it out. We're getting one bolt started on that side, and then we're going to go over there and hook a chain to that, around that roller over there, and pull the frame out so they can get the bolt started on that. And then they'll spin around and do the same. And that'll pretty much be it for the 870. Be ready to lay 12,000 feet of storm or sewer pipe. It won't slide all the way off, will it? Okay. Hey, If it comes all the way off, I'm gonna cut this off and get in the truck and go home. And what kind of warranty that thing come with? Was your chain not strong enough? They good now? So you can see the difference now with the track pulled out. See how that one's right up beside the turntable, and then this one's out about a foot. That's how much it extends it out for stability. And you retract them up when you're hauling it down the road, so it's not so wide and it's easier to haul down the road. It's a big old machine though. I guess I walked up at the right time, lended them a hand getting that pulled out. They got to do the other one. I don't know if we'll stay for it or not, but it's one side's done.